guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really sweet little hand rhyme called Crawly Bug, and this is for Insects Week in Treehouse Nature Study Spring. And what you're going to be doing, it's very simple. The writing out the directions on this one was a little tricky, but you're basically creating a rectangle around your face. And so I'm just going to show you how it's done. It's very easy for little ones to follow along. You're going to put your arm out like this. See the little crawly bug walk along the floor. See the little crawly bug right up the door. See the little crawly bug, I hope it doesn't fall. Walk across the ceiling, then down the other wall. See the little crawly bug out in the sun. Come again, crawly bug. Watching you was fun. So you're just making a rectangle around your head and going right back and crawling back along the floor, which is your arm. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any hand rhymes, and we will see you next time.